Before you scroll away, I'm Denzel Washington, and let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever felt like you're climbing, then suddenly falling all over again? You're not failing, you're playing life's oldest game. And once you understand it, everything changes. Life is a strange game. A game that looks simple from the outside, but only the people who truly play it understand its depth. If you look closely, you'll see that life works almost exactly like the game of snakes and ladders. You start with nothing but a roll of the dice. You don't choose where the ladders are. You don't decide where the snakes hide. You just roll and you move, hoping that every step takes you closer to where you want to be. But here's the truth most people never understand. Success is not a straight climb. Progress is not a smooth road. In this game, some days you rise so fast it feels like God Himself placed a ladder beneath your feet. And other days, you hit a snake so unexpected that it throws you back to places you thought you had left behind forever. And when that fall hits, it hits hard. It hits your confidence. It hits your belief. It hits your sense of direction. You start asking questions. Why is this happening to me? Why do others get their ladders early while I fall again and again? Why does it sometimes feel like I'm playing this game alone? But listen carefully. Nobody controls the dice, not the richest man, not the strongest woman, not the smartest thinker. Everyone, yes, everyone is rolling with uncertainty. Everyone is climbing ladders and sliding down snakes. Some people will climb fast, and you'll wonder how they're doing it. Some will fall publicly, and you'll think you're doing better. But in reality, every person you admire today has hit snakes you never saw. And every person you think is struggling may be standing in front of the biggest ladder of their life. That's why comparing your journey to someone else's is a trap. Because they're not on your board. They're not rolling your dice. They're not facing your snakes or climbing your ladders. Your game is yours, and only yours. The fall is not the end. The setback is not the end. The disappointment, the delay, the betrayal, the mistake, none of it is the end. They are simply part of the game. Every snake you face is teaching you something. Teaching you how to rise after losing ground. Teaching you how to persevere when the world seems unfair. Teaching you how to trust the process, even when the process hurts. And every ladder you climb is a reward, a reminder that your effort is not wasted, that your persistence is paying off, that your journey is still alive. But here's the most powerful truth of all. You only truly lose this game when you stop rolling the dice, when you stop trying, when you stop believing, when you stop moving. As long as you roll, you're still in the game. As long as you roll, you still have a chance. As long as you roll, your ladder can appear at any moment, even when you least expect it. So if you've fallen recently, get up. If you feel stuck, keep rolling. If you feel behind, remind yourself that one ladder can change everything. One opportunity can accelerate your progress. One moment can redefine your path. Life is unpredictable. Life is challenging. Life will humble you, test you, stretch you, and sometimes break you. But life will also reward you, promote you, and elevate you when you choose to keep going. Your journey is not over. Your board is not finished. Your ladders are still waiting, and your victory is still possible. So hold your head high, take a deep breath, and roll again. Because the only person who loses is the one who stops playing the game. Keep climbing. Your ladder is coming. Listen, if you're still rolling the dice of life, hit that subscribe button now so that someone else sees it and stay motivated. I'll see you in my next video.